Are you looking for the best synthetic oils? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best synthetic oils on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Mobil 1's Signature Triple Action. Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W20 is engineered with Mobil 1's signature triple action formula, ensuring superior engine performance, protection, and cleanliness for modern vehicles. Key features and benefits. Triple Action Formula delivers outstanding engine performance, protection, and cleanliness. 10,000-mile protection helps guard critical engine parts between oil changes. Asterisk oxidation resistance prevents oil breakdown and maintains excellent viscosity. Meets ILSAC GF 6 standards. Provides low-speed pre-ignition (LSPI) protection and reduces timing chain wear. Extended engine life prevents damaging deposits and sludge buildup for long-term reliability. Wide temperature range. High temperature protection up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Low temperature flow down to -30 degrees Fahrenheit. Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic 5W20 is ideal for gasoline engines requiring SAE 5W20 viscosity and is recommended by automakers for high-performance and modern vehicles, including turbocharged engines. Number 2. Valvoline High Mileage with MaxLife Technology SAE 5W. Valvoline High Mileage with MaxLife Technology SAE 5W20 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil 5QD is specially formulated for vehicles with 75,000 miles or more, helping to extend engine life and prevent wear. Key benefits. MaxLife technology provides advanced wear protection for high-mileage engines. Seal conditioners helps prevent and reduce oil leaks by rejuvenating aging engine seals. Sludge and deposit protection keeps engines clean and free from harmful buildup. Enhanced anti-wear additives reduces friction and metal-to-metal contact for extended engine life. Superior temperature performance protects in extreme hot and cold conditions. Meets or exceeds industry standards. API-SP, ILSAC GF 6A approved for modern engines. This 5-quart jug is ideal for vehicles requiring SAE 5W20 viscosity oil, especially those with higher mileage. Synthetic blend technology ensures a balance of performance, protection, and affordability. Number 3. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 0W. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 0W 20 Motor Oil, 5-quart, is engineered with Pure Plus technology, a gas-to-liquid process that converts natural gas into high-quality full synthetic motor oil, offering superior performance and engine protection. Key benefits. Full synthetic formula provides unbeatable wear protection for long-lasting engine life. Pure Plus technology, made from natural gas, resulting in a cleaner, purer base oil. Improved fuel economy helps engines run efficiently and maximize MPG. Low temperature protection flows easily in cold weather for faster startup protection. High temperature stability prevents oil breakdown and sludge buildup in extreme heat. Meets or exceeds industry standards. API-SP, ILSAC GF 6A, and Dexos 1 Gen 2 approved. This 5-quart jug is ideal for vehicles requiring SAE 0W20 viscosity oil, especially modern turbocharged and direct injection engines. Number 4. Valvoline Extended Protection Full. Valvoline Extended Protection Full Synthetic Motor Oil SAE 5W30, 5-quart, is designed for maximum engine performance and protection, especially for modern engines under extreme driving conditions. Key benefits. Ultimate wear protection helps prevent metal-on-metal contact for extended engine life. Superior sludge and deposit defense keeps engines clean and running smoothly. Enhanced high-temperature performance resists oil breakdown in extreme heat. Friction reduction for efficiency helps improve fuel economy and engine responsiveness. Cold start readiness flows easily in low temperatures for faster protection. Industry-leading standards, meets or exceeds API-SP, ILSAC GF 6A, and Dexos 1 Gen 2. This 5-quart full synthetic oil is ideal for vehicles requiring SAE 5W30 viscosity, providing superior protection for high-performance, turbocharged, and direct injection engines. Number 5. Polaris PS4 Oil Change Kit. Quarts of Polaris PS45W, 50 full synthetic oil, engineered for maximum protection in extreme conditions. One oil filter captures contaminants to keep the engine running smoothly. One washer ensures a proper seal to prevent leaks. Key benefits: superior wear protection, prevents engine wear and extends engine life. All-weather performance, formulated for hot and cold temperatures, ensuring smooth startups and reliable performance. Advanced cleaning power, helps prevent sludge, varnish, and deposits. Designed for Polaris 4-stroke engines, ensures compatibility and meets manufacturer specifications for Ranger, General, RZR, and ACE 900XE models. This UTV/SXS/ATV oil change kit is an OEM-approved solution for Polaris owners who want to maintain peak engine efficiency and reliability.